Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nor Yulia. Today, I will make this video to fulfill the language classroom management course. First, I will explain one material from slide. I choose the chapter 3 about managing students' work. Okay, managing student work. First, grading system and record keeping. In this material, the first one is categories. Categories includes track achievement, effort, homework, improvement, participation, and percentages. Second, accurate assessment. It includes frequently evaluate students. Third, grade book. It includes record all students' information in one place instead of separate lists. The second material, feedback and monitoring. First, self-checking. Students check their own work using different colored ink, and you should show them how to do this. Second, grade records. Students have to keep their own record of grades. Third, projects. Uh, Break long-term or group projects into smaller goals and set deadlines. Next is peer review. Teach students how to review each other's work. Then the third material is class management. It includes group work. Group work start group task will guidance, then circulate the room to monitor. For monitoring, keep track of any missing assignments over time. And the next material is telling students what to do. First, you clearly explain what assignments are and what's expected, like how neat it should be. Second, you might say it out loud, write it on the board, and have students copy it down to make sure everyone understands. Next material is keeping things organized. First, there's schedule for assignments so students know what's coming up. Second, if someone is absent, they can easily find out what they missed, like through a posted list or a folder. Next material is making up work. First, students have a chance to make up work if they're absent. Second, there's a specific time limit for making it up, like a week. Next material is turning things in and getting them back. First, there's specific place for students to turn in their work when it's done. Second, once you've graded their work, they know where to pick up. Last, group work. If someone is absent from a group project, you will help the group figure out how to include their work even though they weren't there. Next material, I will explain about cases. So, among all 19 cases, I choose case number 12 because I think it's interesting since we're living in Indonesia. As we know, in Indonesia, we have a lot of different culture, different ethnic, different languages, and different backgrounds. In case number 12, it said, many of your students come from different culture with different ethnic and linguistic background. You have been lecturing, and students are complaining that they cannot understand you or follow your logic. Okay, for this case, I will choose one theory from Group 3 about management style. On their paper, it said about covenant management. So, in covenant management, students work to develop cohesive classroom group by including everyone in class activities, promoting respectful interaction, and removing obstacles to the acceptance of socially isolated students. In that way, students no longer feel differentiated because of these differences. There's the way to apply it in classroom is to explain the material using Indonesian that students can understand. You can also use gestures so students can quickly understand, and also respect all students without discriminating where they came from. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.